Yes. So I'll just say the last thing which I said in the video. It's what I do is all me. What you do is all do. Whatever you're making, it's making for yourself. If you're sad, you are getting sad by yourself. You have thought something or you're taking something very personally which is making you very sad. We do have to get upset. It's okay getting upset, but to overcome that upsetness or that sorrowness or that dullness, that sadness into us, that's what when you overcome something, right? Fights happen, we don't talk to each other, what happens, we feel sad, but at the end of the day something I have to look into my side, what I have done. Money can't bring everything to me. It's amazing, sometimes our society also infected both politically, economically and socially by both the ruled and the rulers, placing much emphasis on the child because this inadequacies ought to have been corrected when I was a child, misplaced identities. We believe with time we have to, with time we have been due to lack a sense of responsibility even in children and adults. Suppose, I am taking my example. Imagine just this scenario. I am a Christian, allowed to pray in a mosque for reasons best known to my parents or the reverse, whatever. I will grow up with a mixed sense of responsibility as it pertains to religion I am talking about. A child who is allowed to wear opposite sex clothes will perceive it as a normal thing to be a gay, lesbian or a transgender. A child who steals and is left unpunished will think it is right to steal again and again. It has become quite clear that the parents are also responsible to some extent for the social misconducts and behavior. Right? I am talking on a general basis. We have to develop a sense of responsibility to be prepared for adult living. Children need that. Teaching children responsibility can begin when they are young and is one of the best values for children to possess. I'll come back to that line in the poem where it says, his sense of responsibility in a world of possessions. People will take balls will be lost always, little boy. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. Got my point? Cooperating with helping others can be an important way for children to learn responsibility. That child I am talking about. Parents also can help improve their cooperative attitudes. Children learn their cooperative attitudes through tasks that are appropriate for the levels of development. I try to share with you as much as possible so that you can develop. I am not going for the T20, always question and answer. I hate that part. We are here to educate. We are here to get educated. We have to learn. It's not about question answers. We have to develop these attitudes to family, to projects, to mixing with people, seeing other things, getting our experience. We should discuss, we should talk. We should have a positive instruction for doing a task and plenty of time to complete it also. Okay? You have to take responsibility. We find a role model in our life. We try to follow that person. Children learn by watching and imitating what their parents also do, what their relatives also do, what their best heroes are going to do. Appropriate Behaviors, what do they include? Keeping promises, sharing, cooperating, helping, taking care of belongings, and being responsible. Belongings I am bringing in because of that ball, may it be whatever it is. You have to face your consequences, whether be it can be both negative and positive. It creates positive self efficacy in both positive and negative situation. It demonstrates that they can do something. You know, never do anything too much. Which will go wrong again. Punishment. No. Why should I punish someone? Why should I punish my child? That is going to go in the wrong phase. I have to explain to that. Responsibility. We have to develop a sense of empathy, understanding from different viewpoints to help someone to grow. Children can learn, we can learn through just watching people, the right people. We have to cultivate things, then only we can understand. Cultivate understandings within ourselves. How do we do it? With gifts, talent, sense of place and resource of our ability to navigate in the world. It helps us or him or her to understand if they don't see their own potential. How can they see that they can do something? Suppose my father was a great painter in the secondary school, he told me to go and do painting. Everything is good, fine. But I am not a painter. I was told by my parents to do it. But I constantly started doing it, learning it, getting the ability to overcome that phase. We have to learn, create actions between us. There are dangers also for over sense of responsibility. Sometimes it gets in our way. We try to show off something more, then we get bogged down. Something reflects in our mind. What does my heart tell me? Passion, love, desire. What does your gut tell you? Intuition. What does your body tell you? Physical stress, indicators, emotions, revealed, everything comes into our self. What does your mind tell you? Rational, responsible self. Trying to find some harmony between our heart, intuition, body and mind. We have to think through our own approach and then create a step-by-step plan for our own self, actions with steps. We need to compromise also with some things in the short term to achieve your long-term success and dreams. We need to compromise in the short term to achieve long-term success and dreams. This is where we get developed. This is where we sense the first responsibility in a world of possessions. People will take away balls will be lost always. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. The knowledge of loss, epistemology, the knowledge, the wisdom of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. So it's nothing just a ball in your life. It's nothing very simple. We have to be very proactive in life to go ahead. This poem is beautiful, wonderful. I am just loving it. I can talk and talk and talk and tell you, share as many things as possible. But I don't have so much of time. But once we ever meet, if you need any help regarding this, I'll always tell you. Question answers I'll do for you without fail. That's my promise. I'm going to do it for you. But we have to learn through our losses. Next video.